Hi ladies and gentlemen, here you see the weekly graphics for Shib or Shiba Inu. As you see, the 4 EMA flacon or exponential moving averages are stuck into each other, and this means that the price is stuck and it's trying to find its way. So if Bitcoin manages to rise again, Shiba will for sure rise and even maybe skyrocket again. So for those of you who still don't know how to buy crypto or Shiba, please benefit from our Udemy course and learn how to buy Shiba or crypto in less than an hour. Please also benefit from our referral codes while signing up for global crypto exchanges in order not to pay high commissions and even benefit from our instant cash rewards. Please do yourself a favor. Make at least a small investment for Shiba or any crypto you like, and maybe you will earn a fortune of future. Who knows? And why not? Have big gains and have a nice day. Bye bye.